What's up guys, Shane starts here with Droid Modder X. Chainfire announced several weeks ago that he would be handing the reins over to another company for the development of Super SU. Now with all that being said, I was pretty shocked to see that he actually decided to go hands-on with the rooting of Android 6.0 Marshmallow. In quick order, he released a modified boot image that makes our devices rootable. I'm going to show you guys how to root Android 6.0. Let's go ahead and get started. First, on your device, what you want to do is head into Settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, go down to the build number, click on that 7 times until you've opened up Developer Options. From here, make sure that OEM unlocking is turned on, USB debugging is turned on. This root method will only work if your bootloader is unlocked. I'll be sure to include links in the description of how to unlock your bootloader. You'll need to head to the link in the description for the latest version of Super SU, so it has to be any version that's 2.50 or higher. Here we have the Super SU version 2.52. This is the latest version for now. Download this directly to your phone. We'll be flashing this later. Okay, so when you're finished with this, you're just going to go ahead and plug in your device. Okay, you'll notice this little message here that pops up: USB for charging, touch for more options. You're going to want to change it to transfer files. You'll get a notification asking if you want to allow access to the PC. You will check always for this device and then click OK. So once you've done that, set that to the side. Okay, so on your computer, you're going to need ADB and Fastboot installed on your computer. So there's a really quick and simple and easy way to do that. It's the 15-second ADB install. I'll be sure to include a link in the description. I will include a link in the description of this page. This is where you'll download the boot image for your device. So just kind of scroll down to the bottom here. You'll see a whole list of boot images. I'm using the Nexus 6, so for me, it's going to be the Shamu boot image. Download the image and then extract it to your desktop. When you're finished with that, you're going to go to another link in the description to the TeamWin Recovery Project page. You're going to find your device in the list. For me, it is the Motorola Shamu Nexus 6, so I'm going to scroll down to Motorola and I'll find the Nexus 6 Shamu. Click on that and then that'll take me to the download page here. Just go where it says Primary Recommended. Go ahead and download that. And then just place those files in an easy to find place. For me, I have it in a folder called Android. So if you use the ADB Fastboot 15-second install method, it is installed in your computer and you can pretty much run the commands from anywhere. If you have the SDK, you'll have to be sure to drop these files into your folder that contains the ADB and Fastboot files. So from wherever that folder is, you'll need to shift and right click and then open command window here. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is just verify that we do have ADB access on our device. So we're going to say, I will type ADB devices, and you should see your device listed there. Once you verify that your device is listed, we're going to go ADB reboot boot loader. Okay, so you'll see that it will boot you into this mode here, and just make sure that you are bootloader unlocked. All right, the next command that we want to type here is fastboot flash boot boot.img. Okay, that's going to go ahead and flash that modified boot image. So that is complete. The next thing we want to do is grab our Shamu twerp here. So I'm just going to copy here. And then we'll type fastboot flash recovery. And then we'll paste the name of the image. .img, hit enter. That's going to go ahead and flash the recovery. So when that is all finished, we're going to return back to the phone, scroll to where it says recovery mode, and then we'll hit power. That's going to boot us into TeamWin Recovery Project. Okay, so we're going to swipe to allow modifications. From there, we're going to go to install. We'll find our download folder. We'll find that Super SU version 2.52.zip. Go ahead and select that and swipe to flash root. All right, when that's all said and done, we're going to go ahead and reboot the system. When we are fully booted, we should be rooted. Once everything's all booted up, you should find the new Super SU application here. Let's go ahead and open up Root Checker and check to see if we are indeed rooted. Okay, click verify root access, we should be greeted with a super user request, and we are. We'll go ahead and grant that. Says congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com.